Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Acura MDX? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard packs a big touchscreen, a crisp digital cluster, and a clean driver-focused layout. It mixes premium materials with smart controls, keeping everything easy to reach and easy on the eyes. The 12.3-inch HD touchscreen for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google apps for seamless connectivity. The 12.3-inch digital precision cockpit instrument cluster with customizable layouts. It also displays driver assist status and exterior lighting cues for enhanced awareness. The electronic gear shifter with push-button park, neutral, drive E, and a pull switch for reverse. Its shift-by-wire design frees up center console space and adds a modern touch to the cabin. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The Tri-Zone automatic climate control with humidity sensors and air filtration. Higher trims add GPS-linked climate control for improved comfort and efficiency. The engine is powered by a 3.5-liter V6, producing 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. The Type S variant steps up to a 3.0-liter twin-scroll turbo V6, delivering 355 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light. Automatic brake hold system indicator. Malfunction indicator lamp. Charging system indicator. Gear position indicator, M indicator or sequential mode gear. Selection indicator. Transmission system indicator. Seatbelt reminder indicator. Low fuel indicator. High temperature indicator. Anti-lock brake system indicator. Supplemental restraint system indicator. Electric power steering system indicator. Vehicle stability assist system indicator. Vehicle stability assist off indicator. Low tire pressure or TPMS indicator. Dynamic lift mode indicator. Turn signal and hazard warning indicators. Lights on indicator. High beam indicator. Auto high beam indicator. Fog light indicator. Lift mode indicator. Snow mode indicator. Comfort mode indicator. Normal mode indicator. Sport mode indicator. Sport plus mode indicator. Individual mode indicator. System message indicator. Adaptive cruise control with low speed. Follow interval indicator, cruise mode indicator. Safety support indicator. Auto idle stop off indicator. Auto idle stop indicator. Auto idle stop suspend indicator. Immobilizer system indicator. Adaptive cruise control with low speed follow indicator. Lane keeping assist system indicator. Active lane change assist indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.